Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how YouTube recommends videos, how Google gives instant answers, or how phones unlock using your face? All this is possible because of artificial intelligence. Okay. In this video, we will understand why AI is important in simple language with real life examples. One of the biggest reason AI is important is because it saves time. AI can do repetitive tasks automatically and much faster than humans. For example, Gmail filters spam emails automatically. So nowadays, everybody is using Gmail. So any spam email is coming, it automatically goes to the spam folder. Okay. And this is happening using AI. Another example, Google Maps finds the fastest route. Chatbots answer customer questions instantly. So instead of doing everything manually, AI helps complete tasks quickly and efficiently. So saves time. Another important aspect of using AI is helping humans in making better decisions. Okay. Modern systems generate huge amounts of data every second. If you see, social media, banking transactions, videos, medical reports, IoT devices, online activities, so millions of trillions of records are generated every second. Okay. So it is happening every second. Humans cannot manually analyze all this data efficiently. AI can analyze huge amounts of data and help humans make better decisions. So AI helps by processing large amounts of information quickly, finding hidden patterns, improving accuracy and efficiency. For examples, in hospitals, AI is used to detect disease early. In banks, if you see, AI helps to detect fraud transactions. Companies use AI to understand customer needs. AI can find patterns in data that humans may miss. Okay. So it helps in making the better decision. Very important thing. Now, if you see, AI is used everywhere. Okay. Today, AI is part of our daily life, even if we don't notice it. So it is not like something which is coming in future or something. In this era, we are living with AI. So we are living with AI. Understand this. Okay. We are working with AI these days. We are not noticing it. That's a different thing. But yes, we are. Some examples: YouTube recommendations, Netflix movie suggestions, voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistants, face unlock in smartphones, online shopping recommendations. This all is happening around us. So AI is already changing the way we live and work. Okay. Now, another important aspect of AI is it helps to improve productivity. Okay. AI tools can create presentations. Okay. Write emails. Okay. Summarize documents. Okay. Developers are also using AI coding assistants. Okay. So it is not like, the developers are doing the coding in the traditional way. Nowadays, every developer is using coding assistants. Okay. For example, GitHub Copilot. Okay. Uh, like Kiro, this is from Amazon. Okay. For example, using Claude. Okay. So now every developer is using coding assistants, which helps to enhance productivity. Okay. So nowadays, AI tools are available for all different personas. If you are an product owner, you are technical architect, you are a developer, you're a tester. Okay. Whatever you do, you have AI tool available or AI services available. So using that you can enhance your productivity. So very important thing in software development world. So this increases productivity and allows people to focus on more important tasks. Okay, so all the repetitive tasks um, uh, taken care by AI only. Okay, and also helps to take right decisions, so that you can only focus on important tasks which you have to perform, instead of wasting your time here and there. So enhance productivity. So another important thing is AI creates future opportunities. AI is creating many new career opportunities. For example, machine learning, data science, AI development, as I discussed. Everywhere you have AI tools, AI services available to use in uh, application development world. Okay, robotics. So all these are growing very fast. Okay, learning AI today can help students and professionals prepare for future jobs. So AI is important because it saves time. It helps to make better decisions. AI is actually everywhere around us. Okay, and enhance humans' productivity. And also AI is creating future opportunities. So it's good to start, good to learn you know AI for future aspects as well. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more AI basics tutorials explained in simple language. Thank you.